my dudes, and welcome back to day 9 of unboxing the Beatles sock advent calendar. Number 9, number 9, number 9. Of course, we're gonna do that one today. I've given up trying to guess what's behind the doors at this point. Apologies for kind of falling off the map with doing these, but we're back. So let's... Why will this one not go? Oh my gosh, okay. Come on. There's like no good way of perforating those doors without destroying the whole thing. Oh, I'm seeing yellow. Do we have yellow submarine? Do we? Do we? What do we? Oh, no. No. Oh. Okay. So the color combo threw me. I definitely thought it was going to be a yellow submarine thing, but we've got Obla Di Obla Da. Alright. That's kind of cool. Let's see if I can... Yeah, alright. And they're tall ones too, which is good because it's fucking freezing out. So we can kind of... Obla Di Obla Da. That's so cute! Oh my gosh! If you had told me there was a pair of Obla Di Obla Da socks in here, I wouldn't have believed you that it'd be cute, but actually I like those. I like those a lot, actually. I really like the color combo. As an 80s baby, of course I do, but oh my goodness. That's really cute. I like those a lot. And because it's cold out, I'll probably wear them today. Don't have to go to work anyway, but... And then I'll put them back on when I get home. Anyway, so that is it for this one. What will we find behind the other... How many are left? I'm bad at numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to go. What will we find behind those doors? Who knows? Who knows? Any guesses? Leave them down below. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy. Everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.